Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add shadow to text in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to add shadow to text. At first, create a text. Now I am select the type tool and draw a text box. Now I am write something. Now I am write shadow. Then select the text, click and drag on your mouse, then increase the font size. Now I make the font 100. Then select the move tool and increase the size of the text box. You can change the color of the text. Now I am select the text and select the color. Then click right button and go to the effect option and go to shadow. Now I am select the drop shadow option. Now you can see here enable the preview. To see the shadow option, you can increase and decrease the shadow size or distance. Now I am decrease the distance and make the shadow opacity some down. Then click OK. Now we can see we make or add shadow to text in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.